Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It is so early in the morning, you guys. I had a dream that I think was a nightmare. Because I lost Adriana, but then I found her. And then I lost Michael. And I was trying to relocate him and find him. And I've been up since like 4 in the morning. And of course, that's like, I guess, one of my worst fears. So I had to get up and check in the kids in their rooms, and they're sleeping like nothing's ever happened. And so I was like, oh, trying to go back to bed, and I couldn't. And I was like, oh, I'm just going to go sit at the kitchen table and finish my disaster. Because look at all this. I basically went through all of my ephemera storage, and I took out this is an actual leaf. I don't know what it's doing there, but I took out all of the ephemera that I have, and I'm gonna share them with a new subscriber that she loves to make her own ephemera. And I was like, you know what, I need to declutter. Let me share some with you. So I'm gonna share this, and maybe I'll put the extra that doesn't fit in the envelope in the giveaway, in the next giveaway. I don't know. So I just wanted to show you that I'm gonna basically just take random handfuls, throw them in an envelope for this young lady that I talked to you about that recently became, I think she found my channel recently, and she loves to make her own ephemera. And I was like, you know what, I haven't done my own ephemera in a while. I'm gonna make some, and then I'm gonna share. And so then last night I was working on a project, and I had to dig for things, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna declutter all my ephemera that I have. And this is the pile that you see here. But anyways, moving that aside, I wanted to show you the step, because I did this yesterday, and as you can see, it is still wet. But I plan to make my own ephemera using this. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but I mean, I'm gonna tell you if it does. Basically, I took vellum paper, and I honestly just took this this is called Candy Shop Pink by scrapbook.com, and I went boom 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 boom, and I colored the vellum, this piece. I was just trying it out to see if it's gonna work or not. Okay, so obviously I'll show you the end results, but I went like that with the ink to color it, and it did give it a tint of pink, but it is still wet, as you can see. I left it overnight, and I don't think it's been 24 hours, but I did leave it overnight, and as you can see, it is still very much wet. So I'm gonna continue to let it dry, but here's my intent. Let me show you. My friend Susan gifted me this flower die set. I don't know where she got it from, because it literally came in like a clear little bag, but she gifted me this, and I was thinking once this paper dries, I can cut the flowers and then put a little bit of gems or a little bit of crystals in the center of the flower and make that my own ephemera. I thought that was a great idea to do that with these dies, or any flower dies that you may have. So I'm gonna see if it works, because like I said, this is still drying, and then I'll show you guys the end result. But very simple. Like again, it's just different ways to make your own ephemera or build your stack of ephemera. I am going to sort through every single stem set that I have, and then just decide what I could use for ephemera, for not theme specific, but everyday ephemera that you could use for backgrounds. The most common and most used is always flowers, you guys. So I'll show you that in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and separate my stamps off camera so I don't make this video super long for you guys. But I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so this is my little stack of stamps. I didn't want to get too many because then I feel like I have to stamp every single thing, and I want to be able to do different colors and stuff. So I'm going to show you all the little stamps first. These are all from Maggie Holmes, and I just think these make perfect ephemera. So the first one is this, can you guys see it down here? It's got like those lines, flowers and stuff. If you do a basic black, trust me, it goes with anything. And then I have this one that's a roses, butterfly, a bird, and some leaves. Again, typical flowers are the most common thing to do for ephemera. And then this one, some vintage style camera and the typewriter and the little bird. This one, which I haven't used, is the little deer, some green foliage, more roses. So this one's like theme specific, so I'm not sure that I would make it. I just want to show you how most of her stamps, they're very easy to turn into ephemera or cutouts. This one, make a couple of these as well. And then I did pick up the Heidi Swapp one because I thought I could use, this is a lined butterfly, and then the ticket, just stamp a few and add them to all of the mess right here. And then these are my favorite flowers to use, you guys. This one's from Heidi Swapp, and I just do like these single roses. I think this one's too big, but this one and this one I've used before. For this one, the Carta Bella Let Love Bloom, I usually do the greenery here and here. This one. And then here is the Pink Fresh Studio Embroidered Blossoms, and this is like a bigger version of this one right here, but the flowers are not identical. So I'm gonna pull some of these as well to turn. Maybe play with inks and do them in different colors. And then this is my all-time favorite by Alta New. This one is called I Adore You, and these basic flowers on the background, just put it behind a picture, behind whatever it is that you're making, to make a little cluster, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna stamp some of these, and I won't make you guys watch this. Honestly, it's nothing but stamping. I want to play with different ink colors for the flowers. Even the greenery, I want to pick out different types of greens, and then I'm basically gonna fussy cut them out, but I will like show you, and mostly, honestly, this video is about this, making my own ephemera with this, and I'm hoping that the idea works, that the color kind of sticks. I can already see right here, this corner is dry, that the color is sticking. So I've never stained vellum paper before. I don't know if this is how you do it. I'm just playing around and see if it works. And then again, other than me stamping and me decluttering the store-bought, well, it's not really store-bought because I do have some that I made myself in this pile already. So besides these two things, making your own ephemera, doing this idea is mainly what I wanted to show. So while this continues to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and stamp and play with inks and just get my cardstock out and start stamping. So I'm not gonna show you guys that. It's honestly, I'm gonna fussy cut it once it's stamped and call it a day as far as this piece goes. So I will see you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, I am back. As you can see, I've been fussy cutting. I actually went to a wrestling match for my son, came back, fussy cut most of this while I was sitting on the bleachers, and we're about to test this theory. So the paper is still kind of wet in the middle. I feel like that's where I put the most ink, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece right here, and we're gonna test this theory. So I'm gonna leave this on the side. Brought my Big Shot. And let me start it this way. And I feel like I should secure this in case I have to run it twice. It won't move, so it could cut through the vellum, hopefully. Okay, we're gonna make our sandwich, and I hope it works. Okay, let me bring it back. Maybe a couple of times. I just go barely enough to just get over the dies. Okay, and let's see if it cut, which it looks like it did. So I'm just going to pull that, save my washi tape for later. And then where is my tool? I don't know, but I do have tweezers that could punch that out. Okay, and we've got a few flowers, right? And now in the center, I am going to try, wait a minute, where are my crystals? Yellow? Give me 1 second, you guys, because I feel like my crystals is over here in a different area. So this, it looks like it's working, to be honest. We could put these minus on the bigger ones. If I could get a hold of it. Well, let's try to put it in the center. So that's one. You know what, it would be great if I had silver, but I don't have silver. I have some white, some pink that I think Susan gave me those. I have some blue that doesn't go with that. And I have these pearls that I feel like they will look adorable as well. Or does it blend in with the color? What do you think, you guys? Look how cute. This one's a different one. This is a crystal and this is a pearl. I think it would, honestly, I have black ones, but black ones may be too dominant for the, for that. But I do have these white pearls and these pink ones. Let's do a medium size for this one right here. These are absolutely adorable. I'm so happy that it actually worked. Because honestly, I was kind of thinking that it wasn't going to. And look, what a neat little way to use your different sizes of these pearls. Because obviously the dies that I have are in different sizes. I mean, the flowers are different sizes. But look, now you have made your own little ephemera that is absolutely amazing. And you can color the vellum paper any ink color you want. And I just think it's adorable. So I hope that you like this idea. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.